This video will walk you through how to add professional activities to your Elements profile. Before we begin, it's important to understand that some information is automatically populated into Elements. 10 years of teaching and grants data are automatically populated to Elements via Tufts institutional databases. Grant information is pulled from the Research Administration System, or RAS. Information about teaching activities are populated from the Student Information Systems, or SIS. If there are pieces of information missing from your profile, you can add them manually using a similar process to the one that will be shown in this video. Professional records are not captured by any of Tufts' source systems. Some professional activity information may have already been manually entered based on the contents of your CV. This may vary by school. If any professional activities are missing, they can be manually entered. If you are looking for information on how to add entries to the publication module, please see the specific walkthrough of that process. To access the Professional Activities module, select Menu, Professional Activities. A new screen will display containing all your professional activities. The first thing to note is this bar of 5 icons that is present in every entry. The red X will remove your relationship from the record. The record will still exist as a record in Elements, but it will not be associated with you or show up in your profile. The magnifying glass will bring up the full detailed view of the entry. This will also allow you to manually make an edit to the entry. The heart icon will mark an entry as a favorite and increase its visibility in your profile under the Favorites tab. The eye icon is used to toggle the visibility of an entry. If an entry is set to invisible, it will not show up in your profile. The bookmark icon is used to add items to your workspace for joining duplicate records. The workspace will not be covered in this demonstration. Please note that this bar will be present on any entry within Elements, not just professional activities. To add a new professional activity, click the Add a new professional activity button at the top right. A drop-down list will display the types of professional activities you can add. If you have any questions about what type of activity to add, you can visit the URL displayed on the screen and view the What Goes Where guide. The What Goes Where guide will help you determine which type of professional activity to add based on your content. The guide also contains information about grants, teaching activities, and publications. For example, we might not be sure how to add an award to our profile. By referring to the What Goes Where guide, I can see that it falls under professional activities, with the type being distinction/award. Now that we know where to add it, we can continue the process. Under Add a new professional activity, select Add a new distinction/award. The screen to add a new distinction/award displays. Any field with a red asterisk is mandatory, but filling out all the fields is recommended in order to have as complete data as possible. We're going to go ahead and fill out all of the fields. Please note that depending on the type of activity selected, the fields will be different. Also notice the question mark icons to the right of some of the fields. Hovering your mouse over these icons will show a tooltip that will help you fill out that field. Once all the fields have been populated, click Save. A confirmation screen displays telling you the award has been added. Now by clicking Return to the Professional Activities page, we can see the award has been added to the Professional Activities module in Elements. If you wish to get a list of all of your professional activities, click Select All on Page, and then click the Export button. You can export this data as either a PDF, a Word document, or an Excel spreadsheet. We will select PDF. Once it is downloaded, open the document to confirm the correct information has been exported. This completes the walkthrough of the Professional Activities module.